वेलकम एवरीवन। कैसे हो आप सब। आज का जो हमारा सेशन है इसमें हम लर्न करने वाले हैं कि व्हाट इज पाइथन स्कोप। सो इफ यू आर न्यू ऑन दिस चैनल, डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक। दिस course is for the beginner level, for the mid level and the advanced level. So let's start. What is Python scope? A variable is only available from inside the region it is created. This is called scope. Let me understand one more time. Repeat this for you. A variable is only available from inside the region it is created. This is called scope. Let's take a simple example. If you want to create a function and then inside function you want to create a variable and then you want to use this variable inside this function, this is called scope, local scope. So the next one is local scope in Python. What is local scope in Python? A variable created inside a function as I give you example. When you want to create a variable inside a function belong to the local scope of that function. So this variable belongs to the local scope of that function and can only be used inside that function. I hope this will make sense for you. Let's repeat this more for you. What is local scope in Python? A variable created inside a function belongs to the local scope of that function and can only be used inside that function is called local scope. I just opened my VS Code and here I created a file python_scope.py. So here I am going to understand you with the help of example, and I am going to use a simple example. Let me create a variable def my func, and I am with empty parameter, with no parameter. X is equal to 900 and print x. Let me save this code and clear my terminal. Here Python scope, if you see I am getting nothing. I have to call this function. I not call this function. When I call this function in Python, you will call function like this. Let me call this. As you see, I am getting 900 and this is from this print statement. So this is the example of local scope. A variable, let me write for you in comment. A variable created inside a function is available inside that function. So a variable created inside a function is available only inside that function, as you see in the given example. This is the example of local scope. So let's move. The next thing is Python global scope. What is global scope in Python? Let's understand what is global scope. A variable created in the main body of the Python code is a global variable and belongs to the global scope. Global variables are available from within any scope, global and local. So global variable जो होता है वो Python के कोड में जब हम क्रिएट करते हैं कोई भी वेरिएबल, तो वो जो होता है मेन बॉडी ऑफ द पाइथन कोड, जब भी हम मेन बॉडी जो होती है ऊपर से हम जब आ रहे होते हैं, मेन बॉडी जो होती है हमारी पाइथन में, उसके अंदर जो भी हम वेरिएबल क्रिएट करते हैं बिफोर डिफाइनिंग एनी function or any loop and any classes and before defining the variable, all of them. So this is the main body of the Python code is a global variable. When we create global variable before all of these, So this variable is called global variable and belongs to the global scope. ग्लोबल वेरिएबल आर अवेलेबल फ्रॉम विद इन एनी स्कोप, ग्लोबल एंड लोकल। जो ग्लोबल वेरिएबल होते हैं वो अवेलेबल होते हैं हमारे पास एनी स्कोप के अंदर, लोकल के अंदर भी और ग्लोबल के अंदर भी हम उसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं क्योंकि वो ग्लोबल वेरिएबल है। सो लेट्स क्रिएट ए सिंपल एग्जांपल टू अंडरस्टैंड ग्लोबल वेरिएबल। Here I come back to my VS Code and I want to create a variable created outside of a function is global and can be used by anyone. This variable can be used by anyone. So variable, let's create this, comment this line. I am creating a variable and passing 900 again. So def my func1 and print x my func1 and print x. As you see, I have using two print statement inside this my func and outside this my func. So let's see what I am getting. Print Python scope. As you see, I am getting 902 times, and only this function is running, only this function is calling. This is the definition of function. Inside this we have a print x. I am accessing this global variable inside my function, and also I am accessing this variable in the main body of the Python code. This is the main body of Python code and this is the local space. So in the main body of, when you create a variable in the main body of Python code, this is the main body. As you see, this is the main body. Let's assume we have a variable. This is the main body. We have nothing above. If we are just created in here variables. So this is the main body of Python code, and here I just create a variable with name x. And this variable is called global variable because I am accessing this inside my function and outside my function in the main body of the Python. So I hope this will make sense for you.